Welcome to Bitcoin Crypto Daily News Podcast for November 15th, 2025. A dramatic drop in Bitcoin shakes the entire crypto world. Are we seeing the start of a severe bear market, or is it just a painful reset? Stay tuned as we break down the most urgent headlines and market signals investors need to know right now. First up, Bitcoin plunges under $98,000 for the first time since May. Over $1 billion in leveraged crypto positions were liquidated in 24 hours as major tokens like Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano dropped between 8 and 10%. Market experts point to fading hopes of a Federal Reserve rate cut, slowing economic data from China, and rising investor caution as top reasons for this massive unwind. Funding rates flipped positive before the crash, open interest jumped, and a wave of forced selling accelerated the downturn. Right now, Bitcoin is struggling to hold 96,000, with the next key support at 94,000. Traders should expect volatility as macro uncertainty persists. Next, ETF outflows hit record levels as risk aversion dominates. US-listed spot Bitcoin ETFs lost nearly $870 million just on Thursday, their second largest outflow on record. In total, over $2.6 billion have exited these ETFs in the past 3 weeks, a clear sign that big money is growing cautious and retreating to safer ground. Ethereum ETFs saw similar outflows, losing more than $250 million, the most since October. This rush for the exit signals that even institutional adoption is at risk when the crypto tide turns. Finally, XRP defies the narrative, sort of. Canary's new XRP spot ETF, XRPC, debuted with a record-breaking $245 million in inflows and $58 million in volume, outperforming even Solana's earlier ETF launch. Yet, despite the blockbuster interest, XRP's price plunged 8% to a low of $2.28, breaking through major support and sending a nervous signal to altcoin traders. The big takeaway: even institutional access can't prop up token prices against broad market selling and a shaken investor base. To recap, Bitcoin and altcoins tumbled on macro headwinds and ETF outflows, institutional interest remains shaky, and new milestones like the XRP ETF launch show the crypto market's resilience and fragility. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with all the action and visit silklogic.ai for today's episode blog link. https://silklogic.ai/2025/11/bitcoin-crypto-daily-podcast-11-15-2025